Let me introduce myself. My name is Mirata Dera. I am a student at Patompo University. I would like to explain the materials given by the lecturer about cashless society and payment systems. Alright, I will directly begin the presentation of materials. Cashless society and payment systems. These materials covers definition, basic concepts, instruments, impacts, and challenges faced in an cashless society. Number 1. Definition of cashless society. Cashless society is a condition where daily economic transactions no longer use physical money, but instead use electronic or digital payment instruments. In this ecosystem, money exists in the form of digital data stored on back servers, digital wallets, or smart cards, and is transferred electronically from one party to another through internet or telecommunication networks. Cashless does not that money disappears, but rather that it changes from physical to digital. The value of money remains the same, only the medium is different. Basic concepts of changes in the payment system. The movement toward a cashless society is driven by technological evolution and changes in consumer behavior. The main concepts include transaction efficiency. Transactions efficiency are completed within seconds through tapping, scanning, or clicking. There is no need to carry a lot of cash, count changes, or wait in line at ATMs to withdraw money. Transparency and digital footprint. Every transaction is automatically recorded in the banking system or service provider system. It makes tracking the flow of funds easier, reduces suspicious money laundering practices, and simplifies bookkeeping for businesses, including emerging and corporation. Financial inclusion. It allows people who do not yet have traditional bank accounts on bank communities to access financial services through smartphone and identity cards via e-wallets. Next, payment instruments in a cashless society in Indonesia. Bank Indonesia regulates several main instruments in the non-cash payment system. The first, debit credit cards. These cards use chips on magnetic strips. Transactions are processed through indice machines. Examples: Visa, Mastercards, and JCB cards from various banks. The second, QRIS. QRIS is the national QR code standards for payments. Banco can be scanned by various payment applications. Examples: shopping, GoPay, OVO, Dana, and mobile banking application. Next, impacts of cashless society. The first, positive impacts, advantages for consumers, practical and hygienic because people do not need to touch dirty money. Many promotions, cashbacks, offers, and discounts are available from service providers. For business owners, merchants reduces the risk of losing cash or risking counterfeit money, bookkeeping becomes more organized and automatic. For the government, increases the tax basis because transactions are recorded digital, encourages the growth of the digital economy. The second, negative impacts, challenges risk, digital divide, elderly people, people living in remote areas, or those who are not technologically literate may be left behind. Cyber security, risk of online fraud such as phishing, skimming, and hacked accounts. Dependence on electricity and internet networks, and there is a power outage as the service goes down. Transactions may stop community. Next, loss of the pain paying. Psychologically, when people pay with cash, they physically money decreasing when paying digitally through scanning or tapping. The feeling of losing money because later, which may occur as excessive consumer behavior. Next, the role of regulators to maintain stability. Financial authorities establish strict regulations. BI Bank Indonesia build regulates payment system, jurisdictions, DARS, and licenses for payment service providers. Next, OJK supervises customers' funds security, consumers protection, and prevents misuse such as illegal online loss and money laundering. Know your customers' identity verification such as ID cards and selfies in required to open your accounts in order to prevent financial crimes. Simple case study. KRIS. KRIS is the clearest example of success of cashless society implementation in Indonesia. Next, so then the conclusion of these materials. Cashless society is inevitable in the digital economic era. It offers efficiency, transparency, and convenience. However, this transition must be managed carefully to ensure that the first, user data security is protected, the second, financial inclusion if evenly distributed and does not leave vulnerable groups behind. The three, public digital literacy is improved so that people are not easily defeated. The flicker of payment system is no longer about cash versus non-cash, but about creating a payment ecosystem that is safe, fast, and inclusive for all levels of society. Alright, that is the presentation of the material from me. I apologize from any mistakes or shortcomings. Thank you.